Hello, if you want to input two SIM cards into your OnePlus Nord CE5, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, grab this tool, input it over here. Now press gently, remove that tool and grab the slot with your fingers. Now we have to remove the memory card if you have one. And the first card you will have to input like this, with the cutout in this side, and now rotate and input the second one like this. And as you can see, it's not gonna stick like with the first one, so hold with your finger the second SIM card and now try to correctly input it. I will try to rotate it and show you slower. There we go. In this position, let me just catch focus. There we go. So like so, we have to input the both cards slowly and now press with your finger. And as you can see now, it's finished.